and one day he went down into Harrington Sound and apparently saw something, packed his bags and left and never told anybody.
Oh, yeah?
And so now this guy thinks there's some crazy predator in Harrington Sound. He said if you fish there, there'll be all kinds of fish and then all of a sudden there'll be none. Really quickly.
That's funny.
He said sometimes he just gets a real creepy feeling.
Yeah.
Fishing in Harrington Sound, we have to stand away from the edge because we get scared.
Really? Sadie. Sadie. Where you going, Sadie?
Sadie.
Where you going?
Sadie, come here. A neat picture would be if she climbed up here.
Yeah.
And was looking at me. Huh?
Yeah. All right. Where you going, Sadie?
Don't let her go in there for too long because if she falls from there.
Is that your bathtub? Sadie. Hi. Hey, Sadie. Hi. Sydney, call her. Who's that? Is that Mommy? Let's go see Mommy. Come on, Sadie. Let's see Mommy. Sadie.
Sadie.
Come on. Come on, Sadie. Come on.
Sadie, where's Mommy?
You want to come see Mommy?
She doesn't like to leave loud.
Sadie. Sadie. Come on, Sadie. Hi. Hi. Can you wave? Sadie, can you wave? Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Can you wave? Hi, Sadie. No, where are you going now? Back into the bathroom?